on his head. He sees it. Now he sees it. He don't want it. It's like he's running from it. Oh, he's coming back. There, he didn't know what it was. He knows what it is now. Ah, that's our big old crappie. Man. You just mean. Great goodness. Great goodness. That's a big one. That's a big one. All day long I can do that. Got a few in there. It ain't hard, but it ain't easy either. Don't let nobody fool you. You'll see that. Let's get back over here and see if we can get on something. One right now. One or two. It's two. Dropping on to them. See if they'll take it. I didn't see it. Why I can't see it? Now he sees it. Come on. I don't know what he's seeing. He didn't see that. Going the other way. Alright. What we got over here? Anything? Might be got something over here. Fish there, but he's a swimming. I don't know if we can turn him around or not, but we can get in front of him. No. Where are you at? Where are you at? That's what that looks like up close. I don't know about that. Now, that looks good. But right there. Feet swimming to us. I don't know what the deal is with the swimming. I guess they're just roaming around chasing bait. I don't know. But they need to be sitting still. Let's see what's out here. bait. Definitely out there. Let's see what's over here. Oh, that's a good one. That's a few good ones. Okay. They're set still. That one looks good. And that one. 25 feet. Let's see if we can get it to them before we run out of room. I don't know if you've seen it or not. But what that is, that don't look like a crappie. But yeah, that's gotta be something else. That's a crappie. 40 foot. Let's see. So we can talk him in about. He's setting still, so that's a plus. He didn't see it. I have it on him. Try it again. 25 feet. Might be a little short. Yeah. Alright, let's try it again. I ain't giving up on you, buddy. 20 feet. $18, $15. All right. Here, at least see it. I don't know whether he's gonna want it. Here, at least see it. What in the world? Try it again. Oh, he sees it now. Look at that. It's amazing how they're doing it if they see it. Oh, that's a grown one. Calm down. Calm down. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. It's hard to get them to see it. Put it on their nose. But glad they're doing good with it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Making sure I keep count. Oh, that's a good one right there. Look at that. Swimming the other way. Oh, 2 of them right there. 22. Let's see if they won't. If I can get down to them quick enough. Chase some bait.